Vanadinite, a mesmerizing mineral masterpiece, dances in hues of fiery red, vibrant orange, and deep brown. This captivating mineral, primarily composed of lead chlorovanadate, is not just a feast for the eyes but also a treasure trove of vanadium, a metal coveted for its vital role in creating strong, corrosion-resistant alloys. Each crystal of vanadinite is a testament to the Earth's alchemical prowess, forming through the oxidation of lead ore deposits and the presence of vanadium-bearing solutions. The allure of vanadinite lies not only in its brilliant colors but also in its intricate hexagonal crystals, which can be found adorning the matrix in stunning, geometric perfection. This mineral's enchanting aesthetic makes it a jewel among mineral collectors, while its chemical composition draws the interest of scientists and industrialists alike. Beyond its beauty and utility, vanadinite symbolizes the fiery energy of creativity and the grounding force of the earth, embodying a harmonious balance between vibrant dynamism and steadfast endurance. Its presence is a reminder of the natural world's endless capacity for wonder and the intricate connections that bind the mineral kingdom to human innovation and exploration.